Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to connect key11 combo wireless keyboard with your iPad. Okay, and you can see here this is my iPad and my iPad is currently running with iOS 18.3. You can see here, and my iPad is iPad Air 3. So how to use my Bluetooth keyboard, that means key11 combo. You can see here this is my key11 combo keyboard, and there is a switch right top corner, on and off. Simply you can turn on, then the light it will be blinking, and there is a green light, that means it's working with Wi-Fi, and there is blue light that it is working with Bluetooth. So you can easily change that by pressing this button. Currently it is blue, so I'm not going to press that button again. So come here and turn on our Bluetooth, and it is turned on. And you can see here this is my BT1 and it is not connected, and if I click here for connecting, it will be connected. I will take a little bit time more, so it is not connecting automatically, but actually it will be connected automatically. How to do that? You can simply see that my Bluetooth is turned off, and this will be, I will press this button. Now it will be on Bluetooth. Now it will be blinking, then turn on the Bluetooth, and it will be connected instantly. So there is no time limit. You can simply turn on your Bluetooth, then press the button. So it will be connected, and we will try it is working or not. Okay, so simply open Notepad, and you can see here I'm already typed that some kind of numbers starting with 1 2 3 4. You can leave this typing keyboard, and I'm pressing the numbers. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it is working, you can see here. And also you can simply use Win key for selecting. Press and hold Win key. You can see here there is no command key. I'm using this Win key. Okay, you can simply see here I'm using it. Hold, press Shift key, then I will press it, will be selected. Okay, you can see that I can search, then I will press Win key +3, it is copy, then I will press enter, it will be enter, then I will press Windows key +V, so it will be paste. It is not working with control key, it is working with window key. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video, so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.